Thank you. We turn now to the pandemic and some encouraging news from a couple of places when it comes to getting more vaccines into the arms of people right here in South Florida. The feds are sending some pretty substantial help.
Yeah, and our largest hospital system says it's ready to expand who's eligible. Next week, Jackson Health will open appointments to people 55 and over who have severe underlying conditions. Also, FEMA is sending more vaccines to Miami-Dade County, which will be given at a new mass vaccination site at Miami-Dade College's North Campus. More than 2.6 million people in Florida have now received one or both doses. CBS 4's Bobeth Yates has much more on today's important changes.
That's right. Those 55 and older with 13 specified pre-existing condition can come as early as Tuesday here to Jackson to get a COVID-19 shot. But they're not the only ones, expanding to get people that well-needed vaccine in the arm.
We are pushing ahead with plans to get more vaccines to more places to get more Americans vaccinated.
This week, the White House COVID-19 response team announced the opening of 5 federally ran vaccine sites, one in Philadelphia, the other 4 here in Florida. And Miami-Dade College North Campus will be among the 4 federally ran vaccine sites in the state.
The goal is to launch vaccination sites that use processes and are in locations that promote equity and deploy the CDC's Social Vulnerability Index.
According to Miami-Dade College officials, the federal vaccine sites will allow the community to have access to 2 vaccine locations, one off 27th Avenue and the second off 32nd. The area is part of Congresswoman Frederica Wilson's district, and she says the expansion will allow communities hardest hit by the pandemic to gain access to well-needed relief.
We will be able to close the gap for African American people and Hispanic people to be vaccinated, which is so important.
But the federal site isn't the only one expanding locally. Jackson Healthcare System's president and CEO, Carlos Magoya, says no longer will they just be vaccinating Florida residents age 65 and older. They're opening up COVID vaccine appointments to other age groups.
We will also be taking care of people over 55 with 13 specific medical conditions.
Some of those illnesses include breast and lung cancer, obesity, congestive heart failure, and COPD. Those residents will have to provide Jackson with a doctor's note similar to this one, documenting their name and condition.
The reason why we have taken this decision, as we have not gotten to the point that we've been doing several weeks of people over 65, we're seeing a slowness in people over 65 coming up with appointments. And for those reasons, we need to continue to open it up to the community. And this is the right time.
Those 55 and older with one of the 13 pre-existing conditions that want an appointment here at Jackson, they can get one as early as next Tuesday. For those wanting an appointment at the Miami-Dade College site, they would have to go to the state's website. In Miami, Bobeth Yates, CBS 4 News Tonight.